Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 4 power 11 minus 2. Now, 4 is a perfect square. I can have it as 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 11 minus 2. Now, if you have a power n all to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. So I apply this identity right here. I have 2 power 22, that is 2 times 11 minus 2. I can express this 22 as summation of 20 and 2. So I have 2 power 20 plus 2 minus 2. If you have a power n plus n, this equals a power n times a power n. I apply this right here. I have 2 power 20 times 2 power 2 minus 2. So from here, I need to find what is the value of 2 power 20. 2 power 2 is 4 minus 2. Now, this 20, I can express it as product of 2 times 10. I have 2 power 2 times 10 times 4 minus 2. Now, if you have a power n times n, this is just like writing a power m times n. If 2 is my n, 10 is my m, I can change it and write 10 before the 2. I have 2 power 10 times 2 times 4 minus 2. And don't forget, if you have a power n times n, this equals a power n to the power of n. I'll apply this right here. I have 2 power 10 raised to the power of 2 times 4 minus 2. So right now, you need to find out what is the value of 2 power 10. 2 power 10 is simply 1024. But if you don't know how we got this, remember 2 power 10 is the same thing as 2 power 5 times 2. And this is just like writing 2 power 5 to the power of 2. So, and this is just like writing 2 power 5 is 32 to the power of 2. And this is 32 power of 2 is 32 times 32. So, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. 4, 12, 2 cover 1 up here, that is 1024. So 2 power 10 is 1024. 1024 raised to the power of 2 times 4 minus 2. Now, I can express this as 1000 plus 24 power 2 times 4 minus 2. This is now in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2. This is a, this is b, and this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. So this will give us 1000 power 2 plus 24 power 2 plus 2 times 1000 times 24. So from here, 1000 power 2 is 1 million. That's 1000 times 1000. 24 squared is 24 times 24. 4 times 4, 16. Carry 1, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. That is 9. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So we add up 6, 17, 7, carry 1, that is 576 plus 2000 times 24, 48,000. So we are going to add up this together. 1 million plus 576. Let me add this first. 48,000 plus 576. I add up 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 0, 1. 1,048,576. I will multiply this by 4 before subtracting 2 from it. You don't have minus 2. So I will have 1,048,576 times 4 minus 2. So I start 4 times 6, 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 times 7, that is 28 plus 2, 30. 0 carry over 3. 4 times 5, 20 plus 3, 23. 3 carry over 2. 4 times 8, that is 32. 32 plus 2, that is 34. 4 carry over 3. So 4 times 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 9 carry over 1. 4 times 0. 0 plus 1, we have 1. 4 times 1, we have 4. So we have this 4,194,304. Then we have minus 2. So you subtract 2 from here, from this number, you have 4,194,302. So this is the answer for 4 power 11 minus 2. Without the calculator, you have 4,194,302. This 4 power 11 is also the same thing as writing 2 power 22 minus 2 will give you 4,194,302. So guys, this is how to evaluate it without the use of calculator step by step. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I will really appreciate that. And thank you.